Hey everyone! If Steam is downloading games very slowly, or your disk usage keeps dropping to zero, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix slow disk usage in Steam. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner. Then click Settings. Open the Downloads tab. Click Clear Download Cache. Then click Confirm. Steam will restart, and you'll need to sign in again. After signing in, go back to the download settings. Make sure Throttle Downloads is disabled. Also set download region to the server closest to your location. Now restart Steam. If the problem continues, open File Explorer. Right-click the drive where your Steam games are installed. Then click Properties. Open the Tools tab. Click Check under Error Checking. Wait for Windows to scan and repair the drive. Now, open the Windows search. Type defragment and optimize drives. Open it. Select your game drive. Then click Optimize. Skip this step if your game is installed on an SSD. If you're using an SSD, you don't need to defragment it. Now restart your computer. Then open Steam again. Your download should now be smoother, and disk usage should be more stable. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you're still having this problem, leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.